What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, JD Live, and I'm live in effect. Hey, I got me a new phone. You know what I'm saying? I got a new phone, so I know the camera quality looking right and the audio, so we're going to test this out. I might as well make a YouTube video on my new phone I just got. So, yeah, we're going to get into it, man. Y'all see the title of the video, how to make money without a 9-to-5 job, without a job, you know what I mean? Hit the like button, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share it to somebody out there that's trying to find, additional streams of income or trying to figure out a way to make money without their job, man. So there's a lot of people out there right now that hate their 9-to-5 jobs. They hate what they do for a living. And some of y'all don't really, it's not that y'all don't like y'all jobs. Y'all just are destined to be entrepreneurs and to be working for yourselves, right? So I'm going to give y'all different ways that y'all can make money without a traditional 9-to-5 job. 40-hour work week, or part-time, 20 hours a week. Y'all pretty much get what I'm trying to say, right? So yeah, man. Y'all, I'm gonna explain to a lot of people out there that probably don't know what a 9-to-5 is or a job is. Slang term, right? A 9-to-5 is a traditional job, full-time job, 40 hours a week, benefits, 401k, all of that stuff. It could be at McDonald's, it could be at Walmart, Starbucks, a warehouse, whatever the case may be. It's a job where you clock in, you clock out, and you get paid for the amount of hours that you work. And you get paid an hourly wage, base salary, right? So, and you have a boss, so you listen to somebody. And you got to call off, ask them when to call off, whatever. Y'all get what I'm trying to say, right? So if y'all want to make money independently on your own without a job, I'm going to give you guys several options, right? Yes, I honestly, when I was younger, I know a lot of y'all probably can relate. I thought the only way when I was younger, when I was a kid, back in high school or grade school, middle school, I thought the only way you make money in the world is by working a job. I thought you go get a job, you make money, you retire, you live your life, right? You work 40 years and then you retire, 65 years old, you get a pension and then you live your life, you retire, whatever. Things change. We're in the 21st century. There are other ways to make money. There's other ways to retire earlier than that, right? So that's why I'm gonna give y'all some options, right? Starting your own business. You can make money starting your own business, your LLC, right? Business, let me give a list of businesses, right? You guys can trade, stock trading, Forex trading. That's an online business. I'm gonna give you an online business and regular business. Online business, obviously Forex trading, stock trading. You can sell clothes online, NFTs. You can invest in stocks and crypto, long-term money. You can sports bet. You can be an influencer. You can sell products, services. There's so many different ways you can make money online. YouTube pays you ads when you start a YouTube channel and you get the certain amount of requirements. You can make money from ads. Real estate, so many different ways, right? Now let's talk the offline version. Money that's not online. You can start your own restaurant. You can start your own clothing store. You can let me see what else. You can sell in person. You can resell sneakers, resell anything. Reselling is really good. It's when you're flipping things. You're buying something for low and you're selling it for a higher price for a profit, right? That's another way you can make money, by reselling. Let me see. Other ways to make money offline, I would say you can do gigs around the neighborhood. You can cut somebody's grass. You can shovel somebody's snow. You can, let me see. Yeah, it's stuff like that, pretty much, right? So many ways you can make money, right? And another way, which a lot of people sleep on, is having high income skills. Now, what are high income skills? That's like the tech industry, finance, real estate, coding, computers, so on and so forth, right? Like learning a valuable skill that's going to always be needed in society, right? Now, for example, I'm a certified personal trainer. I got certified as a trainer. I took 3 months, did an online course. I'm certified and I know how to train people, right? I studied the science behind it, everything, right? So my skill set is always needed and is valuable because there are people out there that are looking for a personal trainer. There's always gonna be people that's gonna need help with their fitness, and they can contact me and I can work with them and I can train them for an hourly rate, or I can sell products and services to them, or whatever the case may be, right? I can always make money because I have a valuable skill that's needed by people, right? Let's say you sell life insurance. Let's say you do taxes. Taxes are gonna always be needed. You can sell life insurance. People are gonna always want to. People need life insurance, right? You can You can get you can take a licensed insurance exam and pass it and become a certified licensed assurance agent, whatever the case may be, right? A skill that's always needed that you can make money from, you know, sales, marketing, what else are very valuable skills? I want to say, right, like tech, real estate, what else, right? Computers, so on and so forth, right? Valuable skills that actually don't require a degree. Some of these you can go online and you can get an online certification or online license, you know, and then start, you know, becoming, or you can go to college, traditional route too, get a 4-year bachelor's degree, whatever it takes for you to, whatever career field you're trying to get into. But those are very valuable skills that you can make a lot of money with, you know? Something that's always going to be needed by people, that you can always find work, you can always make money. Those are very valuable skills that you'll always learn and you can always teach to other people and you can always make money. So, yeah, man, that's pretty much it with this video, man. Like, there's so many different ways to make money without a job. You do not need a job nowadays to make money, you know, but if you do work a job and nothing wrong with that, you can start one of these on the side, a side hustle. Every time you get home from work, if you clock out, you come home from work, you can work on your side hustle and you can make money, right? So many different ways to make money, so many different ways to add value to the marketplace, which in return, you get currency from that and you build influence and you build a following and you'll make more money, right? Simple blueprint that really has turned a lot of people successful and rich, man. Just by adding value, learning high income skills, you know, working for others, servicing others, providing products and services that people need and want. And that's how you get money in return. You know what I mean? It's just by doing that. Very simple, very straight to the point, man. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. If y'all like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Comment down below more videos y'all want to see me put out on the channel. Y'all let me know if y'all like the quality of the video, man. The new camera, is it really good quality? Is my audio really good? Let me know what y'all think, man. Got a new phone, so I'm feeling really good. You know what I mean? Can't wait to put out more content for y'all. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all all for the support. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button if you enjoyed it. If you watched the whole entire video, let me know in the comment section. I freak with y'all that watched the whole video. Yes, sir. We got to get that watch time up, the watch minutes up, man. But hey, y'all already know what time it is, man. It's time to head up out of here. Thank y'all for watching. I'm going to see y'all next time. Peace.